Despite completed in the 90s, I'd like to share some thoughts about my master dissertation, situated in artificial intelligence and control theory, which introduced a new methodology for analyzing and designing fuzzy logic control systems applied to robotic manipulators. Very important for the smart factories and the manufacturing industry, and also with implications for the heuristics in management and entrepreneurship research. Its unique approach, which underlines the importance of natural language heuristics in addressing uncertain and complex decision problems, also has the potential to advance not only the field of heuristics in management and entrepreneurship, but also the subject of explainable AI significantly. During my master's studies, I presented a paper at the 1995 IFSA World Congress. I had the great opportunity to meet Professor Lotfi Zadeh, the father of fuzzy sets and fuzzy systems. Then I attended his brilliant speech and lectures. In the following video, I will explain the contributions of my Ph.D. on cognitive machines in organizations, one of the first theses to introduce artificial intelligence in management and organization research. My name is Fallen Nobre, and I am available to provide more information. Thank you.